man. I gotta stop. I should just end the show right now. I really need to just stop. I'm gonna cancel myself. It's gonna get worse, just so you guys know. It's gonna get worse. So anyway, next thing I want to talk about is so also DJ idea sharing. I got tagged in this, of course. Someone posted, I don't know who needs to hear this, but somebody. Oh no, somebody. Wow, I'm fucked up. I don't know who needs to hear this, but nobody, and I mean nobody, is impressed by a DJ sharing pictures of people line dancing. And I got tagged in this immediately, right? Because I'm an advocate for, I talk a lot of show and line dances. I'm not a big line dance guy myself, yada, yada. So everybody's tagging me. Oh my God, what does Nick have to say about this? Nick's going to agree, right? And I think there's two sides to this story, okay? I get both sides of it, right? Side A being that anyone, even non-DJs, okay? My fucking cat can go up on a controller and I could probably train it to press play on a line dance. And if you press play at an adequate volume with in front of enough people with a dance floor, they're gonna just like robots go out there and do the dance, right? So, side A is like, well, showing a picture of a line dance really isn't a great big competitive advantage because, well, anybody can press play on a line dance and people line dance. So, it doesn't take a lot of talent, right? Side B being it takes a good MC. It takes talent to MC and lead the dance. So that's side B. Anybody can press play, but go out there to teach it, to lead it, to do the MC part. That takes talent, okay? That takes practice. Not everybody can do that. Very, very small percentage of people can get out there with a mic. It's scary stuff, right? Now, side N, my side. Side N, how many people are line dancing, right? To me, it kind of depends on how many people. Now, if you got like a regular old Cupid Shuffle or something like that, right? You're rocking, what's this, 40 people? Something like that? 30 people? It's a packed dance floor. They got plenty of room to move, though. I mean, I don't know. I feel like you need a little more people than this for it to really have an impact. Now this is a line dance. Listen, you could say whatever you want, but look at that form. Okay? Look at that form. And thousands of people are thousands of people. You can't argue with that. Okay? This is impressive line dancing. Post a picture of this line dancing. That might get you some gigs. Oh my God. I gotta stop. I'm just kidding, okay? Whatever. If I can give some honest advice when it comes to this sort of thing, okay? All jokes aside, you get what you put out there, number one, okay? If you're an interactive DJ and you play line dances and that's a part of your shtick, if that's a part of what you do, then yes, I think it makes sense to post pictures of people line dancing as a part of your marketing, right? Kind of makes sense. It's part of what you do, and it does show that people are having a good time and all that stuff. But what I'd recommend is that you include yourself in the picture. So if you're going to post any pictures with people line dancing and stuff like that, you want to, have yourself out there leading it. Being an MC, doing what you do best. I think that's where the true advantage comes from. I think that's where a line dance picture would really work. I think just people line dancing and that's it, not showing you lead it. I don't think that's that great. Unless there's like a lot of people, like we saw here. Okay. Unless there's this many people, I think if you're going to post a line dancing picture, you got to show yourself leading the dance. Okay. Take a thing out of Ryan Seacrest's book. Okay. Look at him. All right. He's leading a line dance. But you could see him there with the mic, smiling, okay, doing what he does best. You look at this picture like, I want this guy and his jawline at my event. He looks like a great time. And then the other piece of advice I can give you is, good mix of photos, right? Don't just do obviously don't just do pictures of line dances or you leading the line dance. Have pictures of just a dance floor packed, just with people dancing to your music. Have pictures with, you mixing, have pictures of you emceeing, have pictures of the first dance, have pictures of all kinds of stuff, right? Have a good mix of photos overall. And, generally speaking, show every aspect of what you do best. So whatever you do good, make sure you show that. Make sure you convey that in your marketing, because that's going to be your competitive advantage. You know what you're good at. You know what your weaknesses are. And if you don't, take a look at the mirror and figure that shit out, because it's important when you think about, marketing and all that good stuff. You want to be able to kind of point all that stuff out. That's the best advice I can give you on this Tuesday.